Are you feeling drained and disconnected? In today's hectic life, many men face fatigue daily. It's time to reclaim your peak vitality. Introducing NuviaLab Vitality, your powerful, natural solution. This isn't just any supplement, it's a scientifically designed formula for renewed strength. Imagine boosting your energy and resilience against stress. Feel a remarkable improvement in your intimate wellness. Experience a complete transformation with NuviaLab Vitality. It goes beyond quick fixes. Our natural components deliver transformative results reliably. Say goodbye to fatigue and enjoy sustained energy daily. Elevate your performance by optimizing testosterone levels. Gain revitalized drive and enhance your intimate life. With a strong immune system, tackle challenges effortlessly. What sets NuviaLab apart? Its proven excellence in male health ensures visible improvements within weeks. Every ingredient is scientifically validated for effectiveness. NuviaLab Vitality is free from harmful additives and is expertly tested. It's the verified remedy for natural energy and performance enhancement. Are you ready to elevate your life? Take charge of your health today. Embrace new challenges with NuviaLab Vitality. Your peak potential is only a choice away.
Thanks for watching. To learn more about how this product can help you, find the official website link in the description.